Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosalind Magnus Hips, and today I want to give you a little tutorial on how to use TikTok, this famous app that is being all over social media. You've seen the videos, but in my case, I'm a reseller. I sell on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and other platforms. You can find me by Magnus Hips. And today I want to teach you how to use your pictures from your inventory and make a fun video on TikTok and use this video to promote your business. It's very easy. You just need the pictures that you already took from your inventory, and I'm gonna teach you how to add a text to it. It's good because on the text you can add your Poshmark closet and make it fun. So stay tuned, and if you have any question, leave it down below and let me know what you think. And if you have any other suggestions for future videos about TikTok or reselling business, leave it down below too. I welcome all the suggestions. Thank you so much and keep watching. I'm going to take you step by step and explain how to do this. So you're going to open your TikTok account. And if you're familiar with TikTok, right on the bottom where you see the plus signs right here, that's what you're gonna press to start doing anything on TikTok, recording a video, or in this case, sharing your photos. So you're gonna hit that, and the screen will appear. Let me just put it. It's too close. Okay. So, I don't know where to talk. So, okay, let me take you step by step. On the top, right here, you're gonna pick the sound, and that's whatever song you wanna pick for this video. And just I'm gonna give you just a real quick explanation of how what are these icons are used for. The top one is to flip your camera, and just like you do on the regular camera, you can flip it depending on how you want. One on the bottom is speed. This is right here. You can change the speed of the video, slower the velocity of the video, or speed it up. But in this case, we're just going to leave it regular. There are some filters, and this is a beauty mode. Just makes your skin look a little better, soften the little fine lines and all that. And then the filters are right here. As you see, you can change it. And I like that one, but you can pick whatever filter you like. In this case, we're just sharing photos, so that is not that important. So now if you want to share your pictures, you're gonna press the upload button right there. But before that, I just want to tell you that you have the option to make it longer. You can make the video 60 seconds, or you can make it 15 seconds. In my case, I recommend you to use 15 seconds. Right there, you can see it, 15 seconds, because it's better to share on the platforms like we have Poshmark Stories, and if you want to transfer this video to Reels on Instagram, then it's a perfect way to do it, because you just record it here, edit it here, and then just save it on your camera roll, and then you can upload to Reels from your camera roll, and it's ready to use. So I'm just gonna go and tell you how to access your photos. You're gonna go to the upload button right here, this little button right there. I'm gonna press there, and now you're gonna access your video, or in this case, you see on the top it says video or images. Since we are sharing our pictures or inventory pictures, you're just gonna press image. Once you do that, it's gonna show you the pictures on your camera roll, and you can access all your inventory So I'm going to pick a few photos from my phone and I'm going to add it. You can pick as many as you want. Let's say I'm going to pick 10. Six. That's it. So I got 9. So once you pick your pictures, you're gonna hit this on the bottom, the next that it says next. And okay. I don't want the music to get too loud because I don't want this video to get flagged. That's the music that they already pick for you. Sometimes when you do this, TikTok will pick any music they want you to use or whatever. But if you want to change your music or you want to search for a new song, you go on the bottom to sounds, hit that, and then hit the more. And then there's a search bar here that you can look for any picture, for any sound or any music. Or you have the option to look for the music that is already there. They have a bunch of music to pick from. I already picked my music. I picked the music. Okay, hit next. You know what? I'm not. My computer was messed up. So that's the song that I picked. And as you see, the TikTok app make a video, and that's it. It's very easy. Next time I'm going to show you how to use these buttons right here. There's effects and stickers, but today I just want to go through the text since it's something that you requested that I teach you how to use the text. You're going to press right there and it's going to open the bar. And this one is very easy to use because it's like the one that you use on Instagram. So let's say I'm gonna search for shop Poshmark closet and my name, Magnus Hips, and then you can pick a color and change the way that it looks, just like Instagram. And once it's here, I love to put the text on the top of the video because if you put it on the bottom, sometimes the text will get lost when you share it to Instagram. So I rather put it on the top. So that's my recommendation. So if you want to edit the duration of the text that you added, just press on it and set that duration is gonna come up, and then you see right on the bottom you can edit how long you want that text for on the video, the duration, and the bar lets you pick whenever wherever you want to put it on the video. And I sometimes just leave it at the beginning of it, and once it's there you press the check mark on the bottom. The text, and that's it. That's an easy way to share your pictures, add a little text, and if you want to keep adding a text, then you're just gonna hit the and then let's say you have a sale for, I don't know, I see people doing this all the time, 3 for 25. This is just an example, and then you're gonna do what I did before, and then let's say this is the second text and you don't want it to interfere with the first one. You do the same thing, set duration, and then you're gonna see where the other one disappears. See, it lets you know where to start to put the other one, and that's it. Just accommodate the text and hit, and now I have two signs. And then you can keep adding text to the video, and see, that's the second one. So it's very easy. If you have any question, let me know. In the future, like I said before, we're gonna talk more about the stickers and the effects and all those things that you can add to the video to make it look a little special. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you.